Yeah, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Victor Obasuyi, and the channel is My Take on It with Dr. Victor Obasuyi. Today, we're going to be talking about prescription sunglasses. A lot of patients at the clinic ask me the same question all the time: should I or shouldn't I invest in prescription sunglasses? Or why don't I just get transition glasses? So, we're going to look at the pros and cons of it. The first question I ask is: do you spend a lot of time outdoors? If you do, then prescription sunglasses is an option that I highly recommend. Uh, Especially if you're outdoors, if you do a lot of, if you like to read when you're outside, if you go to the beach, or if you do a lot of driving. And the advantage of prescription sunglasses over the transition in such cases is the transition glasses are the ones that change color in the sun. When you're indoors, it's clear. When you go outside, it's dark. Inside the car, the transitions glasses have a disadvantage compared to prescription sunglasses. Transitions will not get as dark inside the car compared to when you're outside the car, and that is because most newer cars have the windshields have UV um, blocking uh, option in them. So because they block UV light, the transition glasses won't be as dark because it needs UV light to become completely dark in when you're outdoors. So inside the car, prescription sunglasses is an advantage compared to transition if you want real dark glasses or if you're sensitive to light. Again, prescription sunglasses uh, gives you that comfort of not having to put clip on over your regular glasses. So if you want that convenience of not having to be searching for your clip on when you're outside, then the prescription sunglasses is a plus. Most of the prescription sunglasses also have UV protection, so they minimize your chances of having early cataracts and macular degeneration. Also, there's something we call sunburn for the eyes, photokeratitis. When you have prescription sunglasses, it also minimizes your chances of having that. So that's another good point about prescription sunglasses. Then, in terms of UV protection, like I said before, it helps a lot compared to the transition glasses. Then we have option of glare. A lot of people complain of glare. You have this when you are driving. So for prescription sunglasses, most of them are polarized. The polarized ones means it reduces glare that is reflected from surfaces like water, uh, your pavement on the road, and if you are in places like where we are in Canada, reflection from snow. So it will give you comfort when you are doing outdoor sports like water sports. Then if you're also doing outdoor sport like winter sports, then the uh, uh, the polarized ones have a big advantage. You don't have to squint in your eyes, which can cause eye strain, and some people end up with headache. So that's another advantage of it. Then the convenience. You instead of for some people they have regular glasses, they have sunglasses. They also have transition. Instead of having the carry clip on, instead of carrying all these things, just have one clear one and one prescription sunglasses. That will give you, uh, while you're in the car, it gives you all the convenience that you need. Also, for a lot of people, if you're into photography like I do, most people ask me this all the time: why you always have your sunglasses on? When you're taking pictures, most sunglasses have anti-glare, so you don't have that reflection, that tends to happen when you went with clear glasses. And with pictures, most times you just have that one shot to make. Once you ruin that picture, of course, you don't have the opportunity to retake that picture again with in that same environment by the time you go and check the image the image from the picture. So for me, I always like to have my sunglasses on when I take pictures. No matter the angle, I know I'm going to get a good picture at the end of the day. So for me, that's the advantage cosmetically. That's another advantage. Then, in terms of comfort, like I said before, when you're outdoors, it just gives you that comfort that you need. So that's what those are the advantages. But again, everything that has an advantage also have disadvantages. What are some of the disadvantages? The cost. You know, when you're buying regular glasses compared to adding the option of making it prescription sunglasses, the price jumps up because they have to tint it. The price will jump up. Then, uh, in terms of if you don't spend a lot of time outdoors, then of course having the prescription sunglasses is not going to be advantageous to you. Then, because sunglasses you use it outdoors a lot, it tends to scratch easier compared to the ones you use indoors. So you have to make sure that it has a special scratch resistant coating on it, which now again adds to the price of whatever glasses you are getting. So these are the cost is the main thing that I think is where you have the disadvantage. Other than that, I don't think there's much different because you're going to get the same vision with your prescription sunglasses as it is with clear glasses. For some patients, they ask, "Oh, will it damage the eyes?" No, it won't. No, it won't. And it's the contrary. Then some will ask, "What are my other options?" Of course, you have the option of uh, clip-on sunglasses that you can always wear over your regular glasses. But then you have to be carrying that with you all the time. Of course, photochromic, like I said before, which is the transition glasses, another option. If you don't spend a lot of time outdoors and you just go inside, outside, then the transition is better for you because you can actually wear it while you're indoors. Wearing prescription sunglasses when you're indoors uh, doesn't really make sense because sometimes you're talking to people and they want to be able to maintain eye contact with you. With the sunglasses, of course, you don't have that eye contact, and some people frown at it as being disrespectful or as a show off. So then, also, if you are the type that wears contact lenses, prescription contact lenses, you don't want to wear prescription contact and also wear the your prescription sunglasses on top. So if you wear regular contact lenses, then you can buy cheap sunglasses from anywhere and just wear over it. It works. But mind you, the prescription sunglasses we're talking about are the ones, not the cheap ones. We're talking about proper glasses fitted by your eye doctor, but tinted or polarized as the case may be. So I just thought I'd share this with you guys. When you see people wearing sunglasses, it's not really show off. There are advantages to them. So next time you're buying a pair of sunglasses, weigh your options. Thank you.